Anyway, guys, I'm back with another Forza Horizon 5 free roam video today. And ooh, this is convenient because I'm already in this car from the last time I played, which is going to be very convenient because I was free roaming in this a little bit the last time I played, even though I had some damage, so I'm going to fix that before I show you guys it. So if you guys did not see my ramp jump video a couple weeks ago, and my last free roam video last week, I said that I will be free roaming in the Lamborghini Huracan STO. Look how sick this looks. I think I'm gonna make a quick U-ey. Yeah, how awesome this sounds as well. This one is not going to be too long. Probably gonna keep this clip going until it says 5 minutes, and then I'll end the video after that. Still got a little bit though. Thought I had that turn for a second. LOL. that is where I'm gonna end this free roam here today. Anyway, guys, I know that this was not a very long free roam video, but still at least a free roam video. Still got to see a little bit of the map here. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications as well to never miss lit Everyday Andrew videos. It is chilly out today, but it's supposed to warm up the next 2 days and over the weekend and all of next week, so hopefully some more outdoor content and stuff here in the near future. But anyway, Everyday Andrew out. Peace.